Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can use the Waze application in the offline mode. So open the Waze application. Start with the internet connection and make a route in the My Waze, plan a drive and just make a route here. Set your points and the time. Now, if you go offline, you can go with your saved route to the desired destination. Like this one. Sorry about that. Like this one. As you can see, we have no network connection. Now just tap on the Go Now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment. And goodbye.